Welcome to Phonics. The Alphabet School, Book 1. F, 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 fan, f, 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 frog, f, 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 fish, f, 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 fan, frog, fish. The F story. Frank the Frog. Frank is a frog. F, f, f. Frank has a fear of fog. F, f, f. Frank has 4 false feet. F, f, f. Frank likes to find fish. F, f, f. Frank likes to eat 5 fat flies. F, f, f. Frank likes to eat fried fish. F, f. The F story. Frank the Frog. Frank is a frog. F, f, f. Frank has a fear of fog. F, f, f. Frank has 4 false feet. F, f, f. Frank likes to find fish. F, f, f. Frank likes to eat 5 fat flies. F, f, f. Frank likes to eat fried fish. F, f,
f, f, frog, fan, fish. You can place an order for our comic Phonics book series. The Alphabet School, long vowel sounds, letter combinations, the 4-to-4 sounds, and lots more. Simply click on the link in the video description below. Thank you.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Goodbye, sweetheart.